Does it start up again?
Yeah.
It's getting into position.
Where did it hit?
The little metal from the table.
He's like, what do you want me to do?
Mm-hmm. Am I supposed to kill it?
I knew he was gonna do that. Uh-oh.
Is it done?
It's
Is he hitting it?
yeah. I think he likes it. He's just like watching it.
It's just like anything, he's got to get used to it, sort of.
Well, if we just left it running all day, the battery would probably die, but like, it'd be kind of funny.
Mm-hmm.
It would distract Kitten.
You like that, Dave? Dave, you like it?
He's like, let me focus.
Yeah.
He's slapping. He's just like,
Get it, Dave.
it's stuck
Is it?
on that bubble wrap. See, he hit it.
Stuff?
Yeah. I'm gonna get it.
I get it.
Okay. It's just right next to the edge of me.
Yeah. You better get out of the way, Cutter.
I'm gonna record again when he starts like if he starts slapping it. That'll
Oh,
be
it's like
funny.
a hex bug, kind of.
But to buy video. Wait, I need to see this part though. It's made by Hexbug.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
That's funny.
But I think I'm gonna end it here, but I'll record again probably when if he starts really playing with it. So goodbye.